adobo is lots and lots of garlic. That's the secret to our adobo. Okay? So the more garlic, the tastier the adobo is. Sa akin eh. Ay, yung toyo. How do you put ano?
Okay.
So we put 1/2 cup of then 1/2 cup of vinegar there, and then bay leaf, around 4 pieces of bay leaf, and then we mix.
Today we're going to make some adobo pie.
Okay.
And these are the ingredients. We already made the adobo and pastry, that's all. And we're gonna cut that into rounds and put it in here and put the fillings in. Okay? Cut the pastry this way because we're gonna make 4 in 1 pastry. This is puff pastry. And then we cut it again like this. So we're gonna get 4. Okay? And then we put 1 square to the thing, and then just put it all in there. Okay? Yeah? Put this first.
Okay.
Okay?
Now?
Now we're gonna put the fillings. We're only able to make 8 of the cups. Just 1 tablespoon first. And then see if you need some more afterwards. Yeah. It smells so good. Okay, I think maybe enough, eh? I think maybe enough.
This one.
Yeah, I need to put some of that.
A little bit, and this one too. Tiny.
Yeah,
Yeah. And then we can make
some of that.
Okay.
Okay, dalawa lang.
Okay. Alright, okay.
We just press it together.
Perfect. Now?
Now we're gonna brush it with the egg. Oh, ang ganda! Ayun ang naamoy mo kasi tumagas konti.
Toothbrush na ako kung hindi. Plain lang yung ibabaw, tapos yung gilid niya, maliit lang yung pinaka-design. Parang kasi hindi naman ganyan kaalsa yung kanina man.
Yeah. Let's take one of the pie. Oh yeah. And then see inside what it's like. With pastry. Oh yum. So delicious. So moist. Wow.
Nice.
Bon appetit.
Finished product.
Ang ganda eh.
Ang ganda. Sige daw. Pati yung sauce.
Sarap.
Not dry.